Mr. President, the chief guest of this August seminar, Hazrat Mufti Sayyid Muhammad Razaul Karim, Hafizullah Ta'ala Azza wa Jal. I am very much pleased to have the opportunity of taking part in this August seminar on Hurmat-e Aqsa. It is a burning issue. I would like to thank the people of Sylhet to organize such an important conference on the burning issue. It is a historical fact that the Jews are the arch enemies of Muslim Ummah from the very time of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In Medina, there are three Jewish sects: Banu Nazir, Banu Qainuqa, Banu Qurayza.